Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and creating the project. Install Unity 2020 Plus or Unreal, then add AR Foundation plus ARKit or ARCore. This gives you device AR features. Once done, set camera and permissions, create a new scene, and import simple 3D models as placeholders. Make sure to enable plane detection and motion tracking in the XR settings, because you need live sensor data to build interactions. Now you have a working project scaffold and can move to implementing AR mechanics. You now implement tracking and the interaction layer. Add plane and image managers, create persistent anchors, and align virtual content with real-world coordinates. This ensures stable placement. Next, code touch gestures for placement, rotation, and scaling, and integrate physics or raycasts for realistic behavior. Once gestures work, add occlusion or depth shaders to blend objects with the scene. Make sure to profile performance, reduce poly count and textures, and test on actual devices to catch hardware-specific issues early. You finish by configuring builds and deploying to devices for validation. Set signing keys, choose ARM64 or universal builds, and create test profiles, then install on multiple phones and tablets to verify tracking, UI, and battery impact. Collect logs and telemetry to spot crashes or drift, and iterate on fixes. If things go wrong, start by checking camera and motion sensor permissions, then disable conflicting plugins and repro with device logs. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals misconfigurations or permission denials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.